Question 14. The fourth and the 10th terms of AP are 13 and 25 respectively. Find its first term, common difference, and 17th term. Okay, so here we are given this information. Fourth term, that is T4. This is 13. And 10th term, that is T10. This is 25. We are supposed to find the first term, that is A. We are supposed to find the common difference, that is D. And the third thing that we are supposed to find is the 17th term, that is T17 we are supposed to find. Okay, so first I'm going to write down the formula. T4, this is equal to, okay, we don't know A, plus this is the fourth term, so 4 minus 1, n minus 1 multiplied by D. Okay, T4 is 13 is equal to A plus, this is going to become 3D. Same way we are going to apply this for T10. T10 is 25 is equal to, okay, I'm applying the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is going to become A plus n. N is 10, 10th term. So 10 minus 1 multiplied by D. Okay, so this is going to give me 25 is equal to A plus 9D. Now you can solve this equation simultaneously also, but I'm going to show you another method. What I'm going to do over here is I'm going to equate with A. What I'm going to write over here is 13 is equal 13 minus 3D is equal to A. Same way I'll transfer this 9D over here. 25 minus 9D is equal to A. Now both of these are A. It means both of these terms have to be equal. So 13 minus 3D is equal to 25 minus 9D. I'll bring this 9D over here. I'll take this 13 over here. Minus 9D is going to become plus 9D. So 9D minus 3D. This is equal to 25 minus 13. So this is going to become 6D is equal to 12. That is D is equal to 2. Once you have got D, then you can find rest of all the other things. Okay, I'm going to substitute over here. In this equation, I'm going to get A. So A is equal to, okay, 13 minus 3D. 13 minus 3 multiplied by value of D is 2. This is equal to 13 minus 6. So A is equal to 7. Okay, the last part that is there is we are supposed to find T17. This part you are going to do on your own and you are going to send it to me. I'm just quickly reviewing the sum once again. The fourth term and 10th term are given. 13 and 25. T4 is 13. T10 is 25. I'm applying the formula. And I'm just writing this. En is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. I'm applying this. I'm getting these two equations. Okay, 13 is equal to A plus 3D. 25 is equal to A plus 9D. What simply I'm doing is I'm bringing this 3D over here. It becomes minus 3D. Same way this 9D I'm bringing over here. It becomes minus 9D. I'm getting this in everything in terms of A. So it means this part and this part will be equal. I'm just getting the value of D. I'm substituting in this equation, getting the value of A. So I've got the first term. I've got the common difference. T17 term you are going to find on your own and you are going to send this to me. You're going to copy this sum and do the final part and send it to me. If you have any questions, you can ask me.